one.
Hey friends! No, I don't know. But, okay. Ready? Ready? Ah! Okay, today we are gonna learn how. Today we are gonna learn how to drive a stick shift. Okay, so this is a 5-speed. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can count. And you got reverse. So it's like you go all the way to the left, up. That's first gear. Down, second, third is in the middle, fourth in the middle, and then all the way to the right, up, fifth. All right. So once you get the hang of it, you'll get the hang of it after a while. So just remember, when you first start out, you want to start out in first gear. When you're at a stop sign, you want to start out in first gear. But this is neutral. In the middle, it's neutral, so it's not going to go anywhere. All right. So down here, the pedal on the left is your clutch. So you push that in when you want to put it into gear. So when you push this in, it stops the engine from turning the transmission. Something like that. So this is your brake and this is your gas on the right. So you got your clutch on the left, brake in the middle, gas on the right, always. So now, when you wanna, there we go. Okay, there we go. So when you want to, you're at a stop sign and you put your foot on the brake, and then you push in the clutch, and then you put it in first gear. So all the way to the left and up. You're in first gear, okay? So you're in first gear. Clutch is you push the clutch all the way down. You got your foot on the brake. Okay, slowly let up off the clutch and off the brake too. And then it'll go. And then when you want to go into second gear, when it goes and gets so much RPM, the engine sounds like it's getting louder, you need to go into second gear. So you don't press the brake, you just push in the clutch all the way down, the left, the clutch again, and then you push it into second, all the way down, left, all the way down, and then let up on the clutch again, slowly. Not too slow, and then you'll be in second, and then push the gas. And you hear the engine rev up, it's screaming, so then you let up off the gas and push in the clutch, and then you go to third, and so forth. And reverse, you go all the way to the right, and down, and let up the clutch slowly, and that's it. That's so easy, so easy. If I can do it, you can do it. And I just did it. So there's your lesson. Later.